integration of dx upon 2 plus sin x plus cos x. So this question how to do here, integration of dx upon 2 plus sin x I can write as 2 tan x by 2 है ना, tan x by 2 I am writing as t here. Okay, so 2t upon 1 plus t square plus this is 1 minus tan square x by 2, 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. I am using here tan x by 2 is t here. Integration of this value will be I is equal to what we can write here, 1 plus t square, take the LCM. Okay, 1 plus t square, take the LCM. So what I get here, dx upon here 2 into 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus t square. This will go up. I is equal to you get as 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx upon, I can write this one as 2 ones are 2, 2 into 2, 2t square. So what I get here, 2t square plus 2 plus 2t, okay, 2t plus 1 minus t square. Finally what I am going to get here, this is I am going to get I is equal to integration of sec square x by 2 dx upon, we can write as 2t square and minus t square, that is t square, and 2t you have 2t plus 2t plus what you have here 2 plus 1 3, this is what you have. So tan x by 2, this is tan x by 2, tan x by 2 you take it as t. So tan x by 2 if you take it as t, consider as y or something, t you can consider as y, already t is there, so consider as y. So tan x by 2 we can write as sec square x by 2 1 by 2 dx is equal to dy. So sec square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dy. So finally what I am going to get is I is equal to integration of 2 dy upon, we can write as, this is I can write what here, y square, right, y square plus 2y plus 3, I am getting like this. So you have to make it, this is a perfect square, then you will get the answer. Okay, so we will make this one, you can make it a perfect square, that is 2 dy upon, this is a plus b whole square, y plus 1 whole square plus 2. That is I can write integration of 2 dy upon y plus 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square. And that is I can write as 2 is came out and integration of 1 upon x square plus a square formula. 1 upon a tan inverse x by a y plus 1 by root 2 plus c is your answer. But what is y here? What is y? Y is nothing but tan inverse x by 2, substitute there, that is the final answer. Understood? See here, these are the two questions you have here, like this question. This is you can do homework, and this is I am explaining this question. And I will send the solution if you want. Okay, here this is 6 plus sin 3x plus 4 cos x upon 3 plus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. When you have this one, I told you form number 3. According to form number 3, numerator can be expressed as, numerator is equal to a times the denominator plus b times the differentiation of the denominator plus c is the, this will be the way to express. So this is the form. So a into denominator, something I wrote, sin x I wrote as s, cos x I wrote as c, okay, plus b into differentiation of 3 will be 0, differentiation of sin x will be cos x, so 4 cos x, and 5 differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so I did the differentiation of this, plus c. What I done here, numerator I expressed in this format, a into denominator plus b times the differentiation of the denominator plus c. Now what we do here, in this side and in this side, we compare the coefficient of sin x. Sin x here is what? 3, like that. We will compare here, what is the coefficient of sin x here? 4a. Here you have 3, here you have 4a, and here you have minus 5b. So when I compare the sign, if I compare the, see this here, sin x here is coefficient is 3. In this sin x coefficient is 4a. In this sin x coefficient is minus 5b. Like that. Next we will compare the coefficient of cos x. Here it is 14. Here it is 5a. Here it is minus 5b. 14 is equal to 5a minus plus 4b. Then after comparing constant 6 here it is what here 3a plus here it is what here c. There is no other thing here. C you have constant is c. Constant is here, this side is c. So we have taken. Now we have to simplify 1, 2, 3 equations. So to simplify this one you multiply with 4, this one you multiply with 5. Simplify, you get a value 2, b value 1, c value will be 0. So you are getting a value, b value, c value. This question, the numerator can be expressed how? This question is going to change. I is equal to, this question is going to change. I is equal to 2 times. A value is how much? 2 times. Numerator 2 times this one plus, and b value is how much? 1. 1 time the differentiation. 1 times this plus c is 0 already. So you got this way. So now you separate this one. If I separate this one will be cancelled. 1, 2, 1 dx. And this one is, you take this is t, then you get the dx, this is will become dt. So dt upon t I get. If I take this whole thing t, I'll get as this is dt. So dt upon t. So what is the integration of 1 upon t? 1 upon t integration is ln mod t. So ln mod this one. So differentiation of the function by the function is there. So ln mod t plus c is the answer. So what is the t? T we substituted this. So this is the final answer. The same way you have to do for this. So these are the 3 methods of trigonometry I have finished. And fourth one, I think all are finished. Only sine power n, cos power n. That is very simple. You can do by your own. I will send the worksheet in your WhatsApp group. I will send the how to do the problems. I will send the methods, steps of all that. So this way we have finished the trigonometric equations of integral functions, and tomorrow we will do nth integration. That is the final of this chapter. So if you have the nth x power m sine power 5x plus cos square x, that format, that also I will include in that videos, and we will finish this chapter. We are going to start definite integration. In JEE Mains and Advanced, most they ask from definite integration, not from the indefinite integration. So they ask questions from definite integration, but if you don't know definite integration, you can indefinite integration you can not solve definite integration. So if you are perfect mastered in definite integration, indefinite integration, then definite integration is very easy. So some properties are there. If you know that properties, then it is easy. So that's the reason this I explained very lengthy. Okay.